What does space smell like? Ever wonder what outer space smells like? Yeah, astronauts have talked about it, and it's not what you'd expect. Let's sniff out the truth. Technically, space is a vacuum, so you can't smell anything out there, no air, no scent molecules, but astronauts can smell space on their suits after a spacewalk. They say it smells like burnt steak welding fumes, gunpowder, and metal. Basically, spicy barbecue in a robot factory. Astronauts like Chris Hadfield and Peggy Whitson described it as burnt cookies or ozone mixed with steak fumes. The smell comes from high-energy particles reacting with the air in the space station when they re-enter, kind of like cosmic residue. NASA even hired a perfume expert to recreate the smell for astronaut training. Imagine practicing spacewalks while sniffing sizzling space bacon. You can even buy a version online called Eau de Space, for the scent of science and stardust. So now you know, space smells like a cosmic BBQ. Would you wear that as a cologne? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more weird science facts that stink of fun.